You may be asking, why make hand tools? Aren't they like dirt cheap? Well, part of it is the ease of expandability, and like if I see a useful tool, I can just add it to the collection. And if you also wish to make your own, the STL and SVG files are up on my GitHub page, as well as the Blender file if you wish to make any modifications. The second part, and maybe a bit more philosophical, is that I'm sort of the opinion that part of what qualifies you for any kind of craftsmanship is the ability to make your own tools. But with that out of the way, here are the models and here are the prints. Make sure to print them with overlapping brims, that way you can just mitigate a bit of warping. The handles were made from some 15mm Sitka spruce. I've found that about 15 passes at 700mm a second gives fairly clean results. That is with the X20 from Atomstack. Most of the holes can be popped out, or just leave them and they'll fall out on their own after a bit of sanding. The slit for the tool was cut slightly off center but parallel to the faces, stopping just below the lower pinhole. Insert the tube and align the pinholes. A 3mm drill bit was used to take out any mismatch. So, back around 10 years ago, 3D printing filament was 3mm. Well, it's not anymore, but I still have the rolls. So, let's try to use them for something. But really, any 3mm plastic tube will do. Like pens, maybe Q-tips, weed back a line. Leave your suggestions in the comments. Crowdsource it. As you can see, I'm just heating the ends and squishing them a bit with a metal utensil. Another way is to just mushroom the end and pull it in, but you still have to squish the other side. Alright, that's adequate, though a bit burned. Now I would highly recommend applying some CA glue in this gap if you make one yourself, but we'll get back to that later, because now it's time to give our tools a bit of a test. Alright, not too bad. No, the smaller ones may need some swath clearance. The knives were actually super nice, because it's just so practical to have a left and right bevel. You do need to move quite fluently though, otherwise you're just gonna end up with a bunch of undulations. Also, look at the tiny frog that came into the shop. Greetings, tiny frog! Oh, wish I could be as groovy as that frog. Wait, that gives me an idea. What do you think, Tiny Frog? Approved? Ooh, harsh critic. I'll see you around, Tiny Frog. Where was I? Oh yeah, well you should put some CA glue into that gap. Thanks for watching.